If Google Chrome is your preferred browser and you'd like to set it as your default browser within Windows 11, then let me show you how to do this very easily. So you want to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser here. And on the top right hand side, go ahead and click these three dots. Then go to settings. Then on the left side, click on default browser. Then you will see default browser here. You want to click make default. And this will take you here where you just need to scroll down and look for Google Chrome. Click on it. And then here you want to select set default. Once you do that, then you will have Google Chrome set as your default. Also, you can set Google Chrome to open up additional things such as PDF and much more. Let me show you how. So here, for example, you have PDF. It is currently set to my Adobe Acrobat, but if you click on it, you will be able to set Google Chrome as default. So all you have to do is just simply click on it and then click set as default. But in my case, I would like to continue to use Adobe Acrobat. So I will just leave it as Acrobat. And for additional things, you can simply scroll down and wherever you have, for example, Microsoft Edge, you can always change all of these to ensure that it has Google Chrome. So for example, this SVG, if I click on it, I will just simply select Google Chrome and then click set as default. And you can do this for everything else where you see, for example, Microsoft Edge. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is just simply close out and you will have Google Chrome set as your default browser. Now, I really hope you find some value here. And if you do, go ahead and let me know in the comments below and give this video a like. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free to join the community so that you'll never miss out when I release another video just like this one.